I, Jinam MAC, having been elected a member of the North Cachar Hills Autonomous Council, do swear in the name of God, solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter. Thank you. Thank you, Jutai.
Next from Japinga, Fleming Rupshi Saila will take the oath in English.
I, Fleming Rupsi Challan, having been elected a member of the North Cachar Hills Autonomous Council, do swear in the name of God, solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter. Thank you, Kulay.
I, Ngulminlal Lienthang, North Cachar Autonomous Council, Balay nga ikikendok nahi, Pasin mina kitab ta India kibay po metampi Constitution of India, dan dumuzui ra kisi adik banga, zui lesu det nahi nadinga kudi kipingi tia kitep na kani nahi, sule mo po na ikipitat ding ho kitab ta katok ding nahi. Thank you.
Next from Mahur, Rahul Naidin, who will take the oath.
I, Sri Rahul Naidin, having been elected a member of the North Cachar Hills Autonomous Council, to swear in the name of God, solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India, as by law established, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter. Thank you. Jai Hind.
I, Zousumthang Hmar, North Cachar District Autonomous Council, a member of the Tama ka ring umnale impact na diktak ne komin India ramlo rena dan bul ang takin paten hing chingin usun takin kamo purna sinhi then sok nge dingin tong kan khamani kalome. Thank you.